Welcome to Allegheny County, a beautiful landscape of bridges,
Whoa!
rivers,
Yikes!
hills,
You!
and tunnels.
Ah!
That's not only one of the most livable communities, but one of the easiest to get around in, too. Not so sure about that last part? Well, it's true. Getting around really can be easy and fun, but only if you get to know Pat.
Who's Pat? Does he have a car?
Pat, or Port Authority Transit, is the public transportation company serving Allegheny County. It's made up of buses running on roads throughout the county and private busways in the east and south. A light rail system called the T, serving downtown and the South Hills. And the Monongahela Incline, giving a lift to Mount Washington residents and tourists. Whether you use Pat to get to and from work, to go shopping, to visit family and friends, or to go sightseeing, you'll find that hands down, Pat's the best way all around.
Okay. So where do I get my hands on some schedules?
There are many places to pick up Pat schedules. You can get them at the Downtown Service Center, 534 Smithfield Street at Mellon Square. You can pick them up at the Gateway, Wood, and Steel Plaza T stations, on Pat vehicles, and wherever passes and tickets are sold at over 130 locations throughout Allegheny County, including Giant Eagle supermarkets, colleges, libraries, and other public buildings. Call Pat customer service at 442-2000 for the outlet in your neighborhood. Before you call, though, have a pencil and paper ready. Know the address or nearest intersection of where you are and where you want to go. Know the time you'd like to arrive at your destination and the time you'd like to return. This is what a schedule looks like. Each timetable is shown with a map of the corresponding route. To make the ride easier, study the map ahead of time or call Pat customer service at 442-2000 with any questions. To read your timetable, look under the headings showing the day of the week you wish to travel and the direction you wish to go. Then, read down the column under the time point to find the most convenient time the bus or T will arrive at your stop. Finally, to find your arrival time, follow the times listed across the row until you reach your destination point.
I want to take a bus. I want to take one. I want to take a bus.
Bus stops are marked by blue and white signs like this one. Each sign lists the names and numbers of each route that stops there. Route names and numbers are also displayed on the front of all buses. For light rail stops, look for a sign with a T like this one. To know when to arrive, pick up a schedule or call Pat customer service at 442-2000. Generally arrive about 5 to 10 minutes early. You'll want to have your exact fare ready before you board the vehicle. When traveling into Pittsburgh or on routes not going to Pittsburgh, pay as you go into the vehicle. When traveling out of Pittsburgh, pay as you go out of the vehicle. After 7 p.m., pay as you enter all bus routes and as you leave all rail routes.
I got a nickel, I got a nickel, I got a nickel, shiny and new.
Nickels work on Pat, dimes and quarters too. Pay by cash, use zone tickets, or to lower the cost of riding, purchase a weekly pass, a monthly pass, or an annual pass. Call Pat customer service at 442-2000 and they'll tell you how. Or just stop by the service center Monday through Friday between 7:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. People age 65 and older ride Pat for free during off-peak hours. Bring proof of age to our downtown service center, fill out a short application, and we'll send a transit card to your home. Many Pat buses are wheelchair-equipped, and all Pat vehicles reserve seats in front for the elderly and for people with disabilities. Those with hearing and speech impairments can call 231-7007 for assistance.
I like pizza. Can I eat a pizza pie on Pat?
Sorry, eating and drinking are not allowed on Pat vehicles or in T stations. As a courtesy to passengers, smoking is forbidden as well. Radios are permitted, but only when used with headphones. Please be sure to step to the rear of crowded vehicles and stay behind the yellow line. If there is enough room to sit, be careful that you and your belongings do not occupy more than one seat. Pat welcomes you, and and your baby. However, with the interest of safety, always hold the baby on your lap. And if traveling with a stroller, please fold it up and do your best to keep it out of the way of other passengers.
Oh, boy! Here come my new wheels.
So you see, it all comes down to who you know. And when you get to know Pat, getting around in Allegheny County is a snap.
Now that I know, I'm ready to go. See you around.
To get to know Pat even better, don't forget to call Pat Customer Service at 442-2000. PATransit, the best way all around.